why don't we have more rocks that taste good? Like, it can't just be salt.
This is a super interesting question because why does salt taste good to begin with? This is basically what a salt molecule looks like, sodium chloride. Like, what about this tastes good? And the answer is because we need it. Your body cannot function properly without salt. Your muscles won't be able to contract, your nerves won't work. You cannot live without having that sodium in your body. And so the way that our DNA, the way that our bodies naturally evolved over time to get us to consume more salt was to develop receptors in our tongues that sent messages to our brains and told us that it was good. Just splash a little dopamine so that we think that it tastes good. Of course, this is true with everything that tastes good. Here's a sugar molecule. Like, what inherently about this tastes good? Nothing. It's that we have receptors that send a signal to our brain that make us think that this tastes good because there's a lot of energy in sugar, and our ancestors didn't have soda and fast food and gas stations. You had to go find this stuff. You had to go find, when there was not that much food around, you had to go find energy. And so it was beneficial for us biologically to think that things like fat and sugar tasted good because it would encourage us to eat it and get that energy. Of course, in modern society, this causes a problem because we overeat these things that are delicious that were not accessible to our ancestors, which is what our bodies are evolved for. Not what we have today, but what we dealt with in the past. So the reason that other rocks don't taste good is because we never evolved a biological need to eat them.